Here is another question under dot product. We are asked to find the value of x if the vector A and vector B are perpendicular. Remember, if two vectors are perpendicular, their dot product must be equal to 0 because there is no projection. So to find A dot B, you need to add the product of their corresponding components, right? X times 1 is x, 2 times 3 is 6, 1 times x is x, and this must be equal to 0 provided they are perpendicular. So you can see that x plus x will give us 2x plus 6 equal to 0. 2x is equal to negative 6, and you divide both sides by 2, you have x equal to negative 3. So the value of x is negative 3 provided these two vectors are perpendicular. So the real A is negative 3, 2, and 1, and the real vector B is 1, 3, and negative 3. Yeah, so these two vectors are perpendicular.